Namaskar, IMD welcomes you in its daily briefing program of 21st April. So, highlights of today's briefing are: first important point is that abatement of heat wave conditions very likely over East India from tomorrow. And second important point is that wet spell likely over Northeast India with the possibility of isolated heavy rainfall during next 2 days and reduce significantly thereafter. So with these two highlights, let us review yesterday's maximum temperature conditions. So yesterday maximum temperatures were in the range of 40 to 44 degrees Celsius over most parts of East India and East Uttar Pradesh, in many parts of Central India, including Maharashtra, Gujarat, Telangana and Rayalaseema, and 35 to 40 over many parts of rest parts of the country except over western region where temperature were in the range of 12 to 25 degrees Celsius. And maximum temperatures were abnormal by 4 to 6 degrees Celsius over many parts of East India, by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius over some parts of East Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Konkan and Northeast India. Yesterday, heat wave conditions prevailed in many parts. Heat wave to severe heat wave conditions prevailed in many parts of Gangetic West Bengal, in some parts of Bihar, and heat wave conditions observed in isolated pockets over southern West Bengal and Odisha. If we look at the heat wave scenario, so heat wave conditions continuously prevailing over Gangetic West Bengal since last 10 days, coastal Andhra Pradesh since last 6 days, Bihar last 7 days, and Odisha last 5 days. Yesterday, heat wave conditions awaited from Andhra Pradesh also. And yesterday, hailstorm observed at isolated places over Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Haryana, Delhi, Vidarbha, Madhya Maharashtra, Sikkim, and Arunachal Pradesh. So these are the prevailing synoptic conditions. So today, this western disturbance seen roughly 72 degree east and 30 degree north, and the cyclone circulation lies over central parts of Uttar Pradesh. A trough in westerly runs roughly 88 degree east and 20 degree north, which is impacting northeast and eastern parts of the country. And the north-south trough runs from this Vidarbha to southern parts of Tamil Nadu across Telangana and Rayalaseema. So these are the synoptic systems, and if we look at heat wave warning. So first we look at maximum temperature forecast. So fall is expected in maximum temperature by 3 to 5 degrees Celsius during next 5 days over eastern parts of the country. Accordingly, West Bengal and Odisha, where heat wave conditions likely to continue in isolated pockets today. If we look at northwest India, so during next 3 days, there is no change possibility in maximum temperature significantly. However, after 3 days, rise is expected by 2 to 4 degrees Celsius over this region. And if we see the central parts of the country, so where no significant change is expected in maximum temperature during next 5 days. As far as western parts of the country is concerned, no significant change in maximum temperature very likely during next 2 days and rise by 2 to 3 degrees Celsius thereafter. This is especially for the Maharashtra. And other than this maximum temperature and heat wave forecast, and due to humid and high temperature scenario, hot and discomfort weather is very likely over Konkan, including Mumbai and Thane regions, Kerala today, and over coastal Tamil Nadu on today and tomorrow, that is on 21st and 22nd April. If we look at the rainfall forecast, thunderstorm and other warnings, so northwest India is expected to receive light to moderate scattered to fairly widespread rainfall over western region, and isolated rainfall is expected with thunderstorm lightning over Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Uttar Pradesh today, and significant reduction thereafter over northwest India. Today there is a possibility of isolated hailstorm also over Uttarakhand. If we look at northeast India, so we see that light to moderate, fairly widespread to widespread rainfall with thunderstorm, lightning, gusty wind very likely over the region during the next 3 days, and heavy rainfall also expected over Arunachal Pradesh and Assam, Meghalaya today and tomorrow. If we see the central parts of the country, so light to moderate isolated rainfall is expected with thunderstorm, lightning, gusty wind over Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh during the next 5 days, and isolated hailstorm also likely over Chhattisgarh on today and tomorrow, and over Vidarbha tomorrow, that is on 22nd April. If we see the eastern parts of the country, where isolated to scattered rainfall is expected with thunderstorm, lightning, gusty winds over Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal, and Sikkim, Odisha during the next 5 days, and isolated hailstorm also likely over Odisha on 22nd and 23rd. If we see the South India, where light to moderate scattered rainfall, isolated to scattered rainfall is likely with thunderstorm, lightning, gusty wind over coastal Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Rayalaseema, and Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Kerala during next 5 days. If we see the color-coded warning, you can see that due to the prevailing heat wave conditions, orange color also given today to Odisha and West Bengal and this region, and yellow color is given because of this thunderstorm activity over this region of Western Himal region, Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, Odisha, West Bengal, Northeast India, Chhattisgarh, eastern parts of MP, Vidarbha, Telangana, coastal Andhra Pradesh, Rayalaseema, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, interior Karnataka, and interior Maharashtra, including Madhya Maharashtra and Marathwada. This is warning for today, where thunderstorm activity is expected over most parts of the country at isolated places, except over islands and this coastal region of Maharashtra and Goa and coastal Karnataka, and also over western parts of MP and Rajasthan and Gujarat. Otherwise, over most parts of the country, isolated activity of rain thunderstorm is expected during next 24 hours. If we see tomorrow's map, that you can see that heat wave conditions has been abated. Accordingly, no symbol of heat wave has given. However, because of thunderstorm and hailstorm activity over east, northeast, and south peninsular India, this yellow color is given to this region, and green color is given to most parts of northwest and adjoining central parts of the country, and including interior Maharashtra except Vidarbha. If we look at the map of 23rd, you can see that this activity of east central, this east central, northeast, and south peninsular India likely to continue. Accordingly, this yellow color is continue because of thunderstorm, lightning, and gusty wind activity over this region. And if we see the map of 24 and 25th, you can see that on 24, this thunderstorm activity is expected over parts of east, northeast, central, and south peninsular India. Accordingly, yellow color is given to most parts of this region, and green color is given to parts of this whole northwest India and this western parts of the country, including Gujarat and coastal regions of Maharashtra, Goa, and Karnataka. And also, green color is given to our islands. If we look at the map of 25th, you can see that more or less similar situation is reflecting here for 25th as well, except green color is now given to northeast and the most parts of eastern parts of the country, except this Jharkhand and Odisha, where thunderstorm activity is expected, and thunderstorm activity is also expected over eastern parts of Uttar Pradesh and central India and south and central India. You can see the map here. And for more detail, you can visit our this different apps like Mosam app, Damini app, Meghdut app, Rain Alarm, etc. And also refer our website mosam.imd.gov.in for more detail, Facebook and Twitter pages. So this is all about today from my side, and you stay with us through different modes of communication as already mentioned. Till then, namaskar.